This is my 2015 Honda CRF 250R built specifically for enduro, off-road or single track riding. This build started out as two 2015 CRF 250Rs that I got for cheap. One bike was snapped in half from a crash and the other bike's motor was blown, so I used both bikes to build what you see now. The main things that were changed to make it more practical for enduro or single track riding were things like an 18-inch rear wheel, skid plate, radiator guards and braces, bark busters and a larger tank. Every bearing and seal was replaced. The frame, subframe and swing arm were powder coated, the top end was rebuilt and almost everything on the bike was either upgraded or replaced. Some of the parts I used are Polysport plastics and Rival Ink graphics, a Chirby skid plate, Clark oversized tank, Ballard's ribbed seat cover, Tugger lift straps, Hahn hubs, XL A60 rims, Dunlop AT81 tyres, ODI grips, Pro Taper bars, bark busters, Motomaster brake lines, Scar foot pegs, RHK chain, Super Sprox sprocket, Hammerhead Designs foot controls, RHK Lollipop axle blocks, Recluse auto clutch, Force radiator guards, GPI radiators, Hammerhead Designs case saver, RHK caliper guard and Cross Pro disc guard, and a Trailtech kickstand. Some benefits to using a race bike for a build like this is that race bikes are generally, but not always, cheaper, lighter, and have more power than their factory-built enduro counterparts. Some downsides are that the suspension is considered a bit stiff unless you were to get your suspension tuned to suit off-road riding. Race bikes also generally have shorter gears, meaning lower top speeds than their enduro counterparts. But if most of your riding is done in tight single track and not out in the open like cross desert riding, it's not really an issue. If you want to watch how this bike got built, I have a build series on my channel that you can see what it took to get the bike like this. And if you enjoy these types of videos, you can subscribe and leave me a like on the video so I know what to post more of. Also, leave me a comment below and let me know what bike you ride.